Oh my god, the LIFX Tile. LIFX. Nothing really like this has come out. On each of these tiles, there's an 8x8 grid where you can display different colored lighting patterns. This is 64 colors per tile. Let's see what else is in here. Cables, more cables. Let's plug them in and turn them on and see what happens. Alright, so getting a better look at these tiles, we've got strips to mount them on the wall, and it looks like tiny micro USB port to hook them together. Oh my god, this is amazing. So this is one of the default themes called Exciting. This is called Powerful. It's supposed to emulate sort of a sunset kind of vibe. Here's an animation of a theme called Tranquil. Here's the spooky effect. Kind of flashes. Anyway, I hope you guys really like checking out those new LIFX tiles. I'm really excited about them. I want to start programming with them. I'm going to play around with it. I'm going to see what I can do. Thanks for checking it out.